Hello friends, I Dr. Sarika Panwar welcome you all in the video lectures of machine learning. In video 12, we have discussed the theory related to the k nearest neighbor classifier, and now in this video, that is video 13, we will discuss the numerical based on the k nearest neighbor. So here we have considered one numerical, that is given the following data where x and y are the two input variables. So x, in this table we can observe that x and y are the two input variables, and class is mentioned, that is output labels are given for this inputs x and two input variables x and y. Suppose we want to predict the class of new data point, that is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, using Euclidean distance in 7nn, to which class the data point belongs to. So this is the label data which we can say we can use for the training purpose, and this test data point is given, that is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. This test data point is given, and we have to predict the class of this test data point. And here there are two output classes, negative class and positive class. So either the input, either the class is positive class or negative class, and for this test data point x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, we have to predict the class. For solving this numerical, we have to use the Euclidean distance method. We know that in k nearest neighbor we find the nearest neighbors, and in this case we have to find 7 nearest neighbor, because this is 7nn knn classifier. So k value we have already decided, that is 7. Okay, so for this, first we will locate the data points in this two-dimensional space. There are two input variable x and y. These are the two input variables. Now what we will do for this input variables, we will locate these points x and y. So here x value is -1. For D1 data point, x value is -1 and y value is 1. So we will first locate these data points. What we will do now, first we will locate these all data points in this two-dimensional space. Now we know that there are two input variables x and y. For these two input variables, we will start locating these data points D1, D1 to D8. D1 is minus x. For D1, x is -1, y is 1. So here for D1, we can observe x is -1 and y is 1. So this is negative. That's why it is marked with red point, red color. So it is D1. Similarly, we have located all the next point, that is D2. It is x0 and y1. So D2, x is 0 and y is 1, and it is positive data point. So it is marked with this black pen. So similarly, we have located all the data points. Now what we have to do, we have to find the class of this test data point. So this is the question mark data point, that is the test data point whose values are given, that is 1 1. So for this we don't know the class of this test data point. So here the question mark is given, and we have to predict for all other data points. We know the output class, we know the label, either it is positive or negative, but we don't know the class label of this data point. So we have to predict it. That's why we can say that KNN is used for the prediction purpose. So we can predict the class of this unknown data point, test data point. So in k nearest neighbors, what we do, we find the nearest neighbors of this data point, and since it is given that we have to use 7 nearest neighbor, so we will find the 7 nearest neighbors. So what is mentioned that we have to calculate the distance. For finding the neighbors, we find the distance between the test data points and all other data points, and we can see that the data point is nearest to the test data point if the distance is minimum. So for 7NN we have to find 7 nearest data points. Okay, and we are going to use the Euclidean distance method. Euclidean distance method for finding the nearest neighbor. And what is the Euclidean distance method? That is, suppose D is the distance between the particular data point, say this data point question mark data point and this D2, and we have to find out this distance. Then by using the Euclidean distance method, how we find it is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. But here now the points are x and y, so it can be x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, so we can find the distance accordingly. So here this is x1 is 1. For finding this distance between these 2 points, here for D2 x is 0 and y is 1. So 1 minus 0 whole square, that is 1, plus 1 minus 1 whole square, that is 0. So this distance will be equal to x2 is 1 minus 0 whole square plus y2 is 1 minus 1 minus 1 whole square. So this distance will be equal to 1 square is 1 and square root of 1, and here it is 0. So answer will be 1. So this distance is coming out to be 1. So similarly we have to we can find all the nearest neighbor. So we can observe here that for this particular test data point, this will be the nearest neighbor, this will also be the nearest neighbor, this will be the nearest neighbor, this one is nearest, and this is also the nearest. Okay, but we have to find the 7 data points. So 1 2 3 4 5, then this is also nearest 6, and this will also be nearest, that is 7. So out of this 7, because we are using 7NN, so we first in this case now I have calculated the Euclidean distance between this test data point and D2. So you have to calculate all the Euclidean distance of this data points, and you find the nearest one. The distance, if the distance is minimum between the test data points and particular data point, then we can say that it is the nearest neighbor. Okay, so out of those all the data points, you choose the one which are nearest to the test data point, so those will be the nearest one. Once we find the nearest one, out of this nearest data points, how many belongs to positive and how many belongs to negative class? Okay, so that we can find. So in this case, D1, D3, D1 is negative, D3 is negative, D7 is negative, and D4. So out of 7, 4 are negative and only 3 are positive. D1, D3, D7 and D4 belongs to negative class, and D2, D6 and D5 belongs to positive class. So what we can say, that this test data point will also belongs to negative class. So this is how we can solve the numerical based on k nearest neighbor and predict the class of the test data point. One thing you have to remember, that when the numerical is asked in examination, at the most they can ask up to 7 nearest neighbor. More than that they cannot ask, because we are doing the calculations manually, and there is a time limitation in the examination. So at the most they can ask for up to 7 nearest neighbor. So what you have to do, calculate the distance between the test data point and all the data points available, and then choose the nearest neighbor, and out of those nearest neighbor, how many belongs to positive class and how many belongs to negative class, and depending on that you have to assign the class to this test data point. So such numericals can be asked in exam for up to 5 to 8 marks. Okay. Thank you students. If you like the content of this video, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.